Hey guys, it's Mika again. Today we'll be putting two watches head to head to see which one wins the wearable race. Is it the Huawei Watch Fit 4 or the Apple Watch SE Gen 2? Ever get tired of charging your smartwatch every single day? Or just want a device that could keep up with your active lifestyle? Well, same here. That's exactly why I'm currently hooked on the new Huawei Watch Fit 4. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Can it actually beat the Apple Watch SE? Let's find out. Both smartwatches rock a stylish minimalist look with a square-shaped display. They also feature aluminum alloy bodies which add to the premium feel. It might be hard to tell them apart from afar, if not for that red crown accent of the gray Huawei Watch Fit 4. But you'll feel the real difference when you start wearing them. The fit, feel, and weight set it apart. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 feels lightweight and slim at just 27 grams and 9.5 millimeters thickness, compared to the Apple Watch SE, which comes in at 32.9 grams and 10.7 millimeters. For all they wear, those small differences really matter, and since I'm into sports, I'd go for the one with a sleeker and lighter form factor. Plus, it's way more comfortable to wear while sleeping. As for color options, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 gives you more variety. It's available in black, white, purple, and gray. The Apple Watch SE is a bit more limited, with silver, midnight, and our unit here in starlight. All variants come with fluoroelastomer straps except the gray Huawei Watch Fit 4, which comes with a unique nylon strap. What I also liked about the Huawei Watch Fit 4 is its quick-release design for the straps. It's just so effortless compared to the Apple Watch SE. When it comes to the display, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 features a 1.82-inch AMOLED screen with up to 2000 nits of peak brightness, and it also supports always-on display. Meanwhile, the Apple Watch SE has a slightly smaller 1.78-inch OLED display with 1000 nits of peak brightness. Both offer vibrant displays with crisp colors, and navigation feels smooth on each. However, Huawei still takes the lead for offering bigger and brighter display with always-on display support. If you love spending time outdoors, you'll appreciate how clearly the screen stays visible even under direct sunlight. One of the fun ways to show off your personality is through the watch faces. My go-to watch face used to be the cute panda. Now, I'm loving the new customizable AI sticker themed face. I designed it with Huawei's latest cartoon puppy and even added my own dog Kimmy. You can also adjust the background color and complications to suit your style. Apple also offers some level of customization, but it's still quite limited. Unlike Huawei, there's no dedicated watch face store with over 30,000 designs to choose from, on top of the 200 free watch faces that's already built in. Both smartwatches offer the usual health monitoring features like sleep, menstrual cycle, and activity tracking, as well as heart rate monitoring. But Huawei stands out with its comprehensive sleep data. It has a sleep score to evaluate your sleep quality along with personalized recommendations for improvement. You can get these insights in just one night, compared to Apple, wherein you'll have to wait for 10 days. Huawei also tracks your emotional well-being by analyzing stress levels and emotional state. Key metrics are recorded automatically with regular reminders, whereas Apple requires you to input them manually. I really appreciate the gentle nudges to take a breather or meditate when I'm feeling stressed. Another perk of the Huawei Watch Fit 4 is its SpO2 and calorie monitoring features. The latter doesn't require any third-party apps thanks to the built-in StayFit app. I also like how you can easily track the health metrics on the Huawei Health app. Here, you can also join the health community to keep an eye on your loved one's health. It's a meaningful way to stay connected and support each other. For all the sporty girlies out there like me, you'll appreciate the 100+ workout modes available on the Huawei Watch Fit 4. Much more than what the Apple Watch SE offers. I was excited to see paddle, tennis, and Pilates included, but the outdoor-focused ones like stair climbing, hiking, and trail running are just as interesting. And with the upgraded barometer, you also get more precise elevation tracking, which means more detailed and accurate fitness metrics. Additionally, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 features built-in full color maps for outdoor workouts, along with water sports route tracking. Those who seek adventures will greatly benefit from the upgraded sunflower positioning system with dual-band GPS on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 4. This offers enhanced tracking and navigation accuracy compared to the Apple Watch SE's single-frequency GPS. Aside from the readily available workout modes, you can enjoy the free HUAWEI Health Plus fitness classes for 3 months. And for all the runners out there, you can sync your workout data to your Strava account so you can easily share them on social media. When it comes to compatibility, it's another win for HUAWEI since the Watch Fit 4 works seamlessly with both Android and iOS. This gives users full access to all its health and fitness features, while the Apple Watch SE is designed exclusively for Apple users. Both smartwatches compact with convenience features for everyday use. You can answer messages and calls, type with a keyboard, take wrist-based screenshots, use them as a remote shutter, and many more. But HUAWEI has a big flex. It is the first to support GCash payments. Plus, the gray version includes NFC support, making things like door or elevator access more convenient. Battery life is one of the most important things for me. And once again, HUAWEI takes the win with its 10-day battery life. 7 days if we're talking about heavier use. One of my biggest pet peeves is having to charge every single day. Sadly, that's what you'd be dealing with on the Apple Watch SE and its fleeting 18-hour battery life. Charging is also much quicker with the HUAWEI Watch Fit 4. With its fast charging capabilities, you can juice it up to 80% in under an hour, while the Apple Watch SE takes around an hour and 30 to reach the same level. With the HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, you get a tougher and brighter screen thanks to its sapphire glass display and 3000 nits of peak brightness. It also packs advanced features like ECG and skin temperature monitoring. There's also new workout modes like golf, trail running, and 40-meter free diving. And lastly, it will include NFC support. After putting these two smartwatches head-to-head, it's clear that the HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 came out on top, delivering in nearly every aspect, from design and display to health features, battery life, and everyday performance. While the Apple Watch SE carries a steep $16,990 price tag, the HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 offers more features at just a fraction of the cost. Stay tuned for the official launch and price reveal of the HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and its Pro variant coming soon later this May. Both will surely catch the eye of fitness enthusiasts who also value style. So that's a wrap! Which one is winning your wrist? Let us know in the comment section below. Miko once again, and I'll see you guys soon.